Hello friends, every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to get this fixed. If your Mazda suddenly shows the message oil monitoring malfunction, the first thing to do is take a deep breath. It doesn't mean your engine is about to explode or that you've suddenly run out of oil. This message comes from the system that monitors the oil level and health, estimating when it's time for a change based on your driving style and conditions. But here's the thing, it's not always the oil that's at fault. Many times the sensor gets confused or just needs a reset. That's why several mechanics mention that the warning can appear right after an oil change and disappear when you restart the car. Now, if you're thinking, but my oil is fine, you're right. Many mechanics have confirmed that even if the oil level and quality are correct, the system can trigger the alert due to a minor electronic glitch or inconsistent reading. This is especially common in newer models that still rely on software updates to calibrate the sensors properly. Several mechanics also agree on this. If there are no unusual noises or power drops, you can continue driving safely. The alert is usually preventive rather than an emergency. In many cases, simply turning the car off and back on clears the message and everything goes back to normal. But if the warning persists, then it's time to investigate further. Check the oil sensor, its connections, and make sure there are no electrical issues. Some mechanics have fixed the problem by cleaning the sensor or adjusting the wiring, while others have needed to replace the sensor entirely.